Video backgrounds in OpenLP? Let's look at how I solved this problem. Hi, it's Stephen here from The Harvest is Ready. I hope you're all doing fantastically today. Now, videos in OpenLP. It's been a bit of an issue. If you set the theme to a transparent background, even with my experience, it sort of doesn't work. It sort of overlays the text and then you have to open up something like VLC to run in the background full screen. It's not quite seamless. But here, I've got a little solution for you. It's using custom stages, and what I realized is when I looked through at some set websites, they show a video background and it runs quite smoothly and it runs quite well. So that's what I've done. I've created another custom stage view and it uses a video background this time, and you can see it running in the background, and yes, it will just update quite nicely. See? And it's even got a fade in transition. Okay, so that's what I've updated with the current set of custom stage views. They now have an option where if you're in your service and you want to have a video background, you can create a stage view with that video background for your song. Now, here we go. So how do we use it? Okay, it's quite simple. First, you download the new stage view pack, which has the video backgrounds. Okay, and which you can find at, let's see, I'll show you the website, I'll bring it up now. You can find it just here. Okay. So you download that into your data folder or data folder, whichever place you want to do it. I always get those confused. And you can run it according. So let's have a look at the data folder. Here we go. Which is just here. So here's the data folder. Okay, if you don't remember how to do it, if I bring up OpenLP right now, yep, you can go to Tools, Open Data Folder here, or Data Folder. Okay, so yeah, let's just go back quickly. Okay, so in here you've got stages, and now you can see some changes. We've got now a new Java folder, and we're going to look at that very, very shortly. I'll show you how you can change the transition speed and things like that. But we've got a new folder called Video BG. Now in here, you see here, we've got a file name bgvideo.mp4. Now that's, if you want to change the background, that's where you're going to put your video. Whatever video you put there, name it that, it will display in the background full screen. Okay. Now, how do we improve the speed or change the speed? Okay, what we need to do there is open up the Java folder, and here we've got some here and here, and it says here no-chords-fade.js. So we're going to open that with a text editor. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we've got it here. And we're going to edit these two lines here. So if we change this here, that's going to make it longer. So we'll do it 1000, which is about a second. And fade out. Okay. With the fade out, on my browser anyway, it doesn't seem to be working. It should be, but it doesn't seem to render properly. So I'm just going to leave it at 200. Okay, so we save that. And then if we go back to our stage view here, we'll refresh it. And we'll change a thing. You see it's now longer. Let's make it even longer, okay? Make it 5000, very slow. Reload it. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, changing these values in here will change the speed accordingly. Now, you may say, what happens if I don't want to do it? Well, you can just change it to 1. 1. Okay? But that will do it for everybody. But say you only want some of them not to be like that. So you can leave this as is. Fade in, 500 and 200 is the default ones. Okay, make sure you have the commas at the end there. Okay, what you need to do is you need to go to your stage that you want to remove the fade in. So for example, the Bible, we may just want to do a cut. Edit the stage.html. Okay, and in here, where it says no chords, just remove fade. Okay. So this is not on Bible, but we can go and test that right now. Okay, we're in Bible. So let's just test that. Okay, and if I change it, there's no fade. Okay. Okay. Now if I go back to the file and add on fade, and reload, there you go. Okay. Here we have it. So let's go back to the video background. This is actually a song, isn't it? Okay. There we go. Okay. So, one thing to note, video backgrounds do not import directly into OBS, so you still need to just use a transparent background, just leave it as transparent with no background, and just put a video in the background, which is easy enough to do in OBS. But this will help you within your services if you want to if you're not doing a live streaming and you want a nice video background, this will do this. How do we use it? Well, as you can see, we're working in a browser right now, but it's not full screen. If you hit F11, it will come to full screen. That will disappear very shortly, and then you can change it like normal. There we go. There we have it. You can now use OpenLP and have a video background using the custom stage view. You will have to just open it up in a browser, drag it over to your other screen, hit F11 to make it full screen, and it will operate like normal. So yes, you won't be able to use the features of the hide display or anything like that, but at least you can have nice video backgrounds accordingly with OpenLP. Hopefully they'll get this fixed up in a newer version. So, this is the end of the video, and as usual, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. And, of course, follow me on Facebook at The Harvest is Ready. That's my Facebook channel. And, yeah, I hope you have a blessed day. And, as usual, God bless.